Academies. My name is Yolanda Brown and I am the principal of West Prep K through 12. Super excited to begin this school year in person. I just want you guys all to know that we're here to support you and help you as we journey through this next chapter. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Scott Littlefield. I'm an assistant principal here at West Prep. I help with the middle school, and I'm also over student success office. So if you need anything, you can just call down there. I'll be willing to help you with anything that you have or anything that you desire to get help with.
Hi, my name is Stacy Schomburg. I am an assistant principal here at West Preparatory Academy. I am with the middle school section. However, whatever support you need, I am here to help your student be successful.
Hi, my name is Crystal Cummings. I'm an assistant principal here at West Prep as well, and I work with the high school. As everyone has said, I am here to support you in any way possible, and I'm excited about this school year.